How to download playlist from YouTube 100% works. To get started, the most seamless way to do this is by using YouTube's built-in download feature. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device or visit the site on a supported desktop browser like Chrome. Navigate to the playlist you want to save and look for the download icon. It's the downward-facing arrow located right below the playlist title. Tap that icon and YouTube will ask you to select your preferred video quality, from standard 360p all the way up to Full HD. Once you hit OK, the app will automatically queue every video in that playlist for download. You can track the progress in your Downloads tab, and once it's finished, that entire collection is yours to watch anywhere, even without an internet connection. Here is an expert pro tip. If you find yourself frequently running out of storage, enable the Smart Downloads feature in your background settings. This 2026 AI-driven tool automatically downloads your most watched playlists and recommended videos over Wi-Fi, and then deletes them once you've finished watching, ensuring your offline library is always fresh without you having to lift a finger. Now you're all set to take your favorite content wherever you go. If this quick guide made your life a little easier, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech essentials. I'm curious, what's the one playlist you can't live without when you're offline? Let me know.